Hello, this is Craig Stone with 360 Painting Southlake. We get a lot of calls from customers asking us how long they should wait to repaint their house. And it really depends on a number of things. First of all, the Texas sun is very hot and very hard on homes, especially if the paint that you used the last time is a dark color. It will fade fast and get very hot. It kind of depends on the brand and the quality of paint you use. Lower quality of paint, 7 to 10 years. The really high quality paint, 12 to 15 years, somewhere in that time frame. We use only the highest quality of paint. We don't use builder's paint. We don't use contractor's paint. We use premium paint. And that's very important if you want to protect your home, especially in this hot Texas weather. Use the correct paint. Make sure that when you do repaint your home, that the contractor does a really good job of caulking all the crevices. That's very important in the fact that if you use really good paint and they do a really good job of caulking, you will be able to increase the amount of time between paintings. Also, when you use good paint and do a good job of caulking, you will eliminate the need for repairs, replacing trim boards, replacing soffit, fascia. Those repairs, if you wait too long, can be very expensive, not only from a labor perspective, but from a material perspective. So make sure you use good paint, make sure you use good caulk, and you will be able to eliminate the need for repairs. Please pay attention to those things. It will make a huge difference in the look of your home and the cost to repaint it. Craig Stone, 360 Painting Southlake, thank you.